little bit about her Bowling for Education grant that was funded by the foundation.
Sure, yes. This is the bowling equipment we were able to purchase with the grant money. We were able to spend about $2,500 to buy 8 new lanes, sets of pins and bowling balls so that we can have a traveling set to go to all the elementary schools in our district. The best part about this unit is that, you know, it's something for everyone and everyone can do this. And at the bottom line at the end of the day is I want people to leave the gym being happy about exercise, and I want them to have that healthy relationship with exercise. Last year it was my first full year in the district, and I was using the equipment, and it just seemed like some of the pins were broken and the lanes were not working very well, and it looked like we needed an upgrade. So it was good timing. I had finished the unit, and then I saw information for the grant come out, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to try and see what I could get.